Hi, my name is Elwis Lopez. I am a certified NLP practitioner, a counseling psychologist, and a life coach. What is NLP? Neuro-Linguistic Programming, in simple sense, is of three words. Neuro, which deals with our mental abilities, our mental processes, our mental state. Everything to deal with our brain, our neurological functions. Then comes linguistics. It has everything to do with our language, be it Hindi, be it English, be it Malayalam, any languages that you know. It has everything to do with communication. And the final one is programming. Programming has everything to do with our behavior patterns, our psychological patterns, our language patterns, any processes or any patterns that you possess as an individual. So, if we combine these three words together, we can understand that using language as a medium, we are able to reframe the ideologies of our existing self in our mental state to bring changes in our processes. So, to put in simpler terms, you can change your behavior, your thought patterns, and your life using language change processes. That is as simple as I can explain NLP. To talk more about it, we focus on three major factors in NLP. One is to eliminate fears, second is to eliminate the limiting beliefs, and the third one is to eliminate negative thoughts. So, why fear, why limiting belief, and why negative thoughts? Simple. So, the first one is fear. What we are afraid of. What we are afraid of are of many things. It can be of many things. When we are afraid of something, it actually pulls us back in doing many things. It pulls us back from achieving our goals. It pulls us back from achieving any step in our life which will lead to our goal. So, eliminating fear is the first thing that we focus in NLP. Now, the second one is limiting belief. When we are born, normally we will see our parents, we hear from our parents, we see the behaviors of our parents, our siblings, our friends, our school teacher, our cousins, our relatives, everybody that we know of. As per Albert Bandura, there is a social learning process that happens in our daily lives. So, when we hear many things, when we see many things, there are basic belief sets, there are values, there are ethic systems, there are ethical understandings that we build in ourselves. So, what we think and what we feel is basically what others have told us, what others have shown us, that we have taken and internalized inside us. So, these can become our limiting beliefs. So, for example, if most of the people that we see say that I am of a darker skinned person, I do not talk well, I do not dress up well, I am not that presentable, I do not talk this language in a beautiful way or maybe a perfect way, I'm not the ideal person. When people say these things, what normally happens is we develop a belief that we are not a proper person. I am not capable of speaking this language. I am not capable of being presentable to anybody. I am not capable to do any things in my life. I might not attract a proper partner. So these are the things that basically builds our belief systems. Now, what happens when we have limiting beliefs? Obviously, yes, we can't achieve our goals, right? Then comes negative thoughts. Why does limiting belief contribute to negative thoughts? So, the moment we have limiting beliefs, that is very normal for us, right? So, when we have limiting beliefs, it automatically converts into negative thoughts. What are negative thoughts? I'm not fair. I'm not good enough. I'm not worthy. I do not understand maths. I cannot do this. I never will be able to process anything as anybody else. These are thoughts that put you down and belittle you to a state where you cannot proceed further. This is a normal tendency in human beings given the evolutionary principle that we focus on our negatives more than our positives. So basically, you cannot blame a person for being that way. It is our evolutionary trait. But if we understand that evolutionary trait, if we understand that we are not able to achieve our goals and still I'm not taking a step towards a goal change or a change in my lifestyle, that becomes our problem. That is something that they have to be accountable for. So, out of all the psychological principles, there may be more, but NLP will help in dealing with these issues, sorting these issues much more easily as compared to other scientific based principles, because NLP deals with a lot of visualization. It deals with a bottom to top approach which will help in dealing our problems, because as we know, our mind is divided into three: conscious level, subconscious level, and unconscious level. What we focus is on the subconscious and unconscious level. So the visualizations that we bring, the exercises that we bring in NLP helps you to develop a holistic pattern of change in our minds. Rather than focusing on the conscious mind, we focus on the subconscious mind, which helps you to bring drastic measures without you even understanding that you are making a change. That is how NLP helps you. At Soul Chaitanya, myself, as I told Elwis Lopez, Shamya Casey, a personal coach and a mentor, Sister Ritu OP, a spiritual coach. We are master trainers and grandmaster trainers in NLP. Our program is highly experiential, zero theories, and more focus on the experience. We do not just bring in a person for a demo and show the others. Everybody is important for us. Each individual is highly capable of change, and we are just facilitators for the change process. So, having said that, our ideology is to help people to build much easier and better lives with empowerment, resilience, and visualization. So, contact us for more details. Hope you have understood what NLP is in this small short video. If you have any doubts, please feel free to contact us. Aham Brahmasmi.